Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today, guys, we are going to look at a tool that will allow you to replace the actual grips on your golf clubs. This tool is made by Beseetop. It is a golf club vise. This device is mounted on a tabletop, a countertop, plywood, workstation, workbench, wherever you want to work on your golf club, this thing will mount. One of the nice things is this is using a clamp mechanism. A lot of these I see are going to have to be bolted onto a table. This one is very mobile, meaning I can carry it with me. I could even carry it out to the golf course and use it out there and mount it and work on a golf club if I need to. I like that. It's very portable. Now, this is all aluminum body and it swivels 360 degrees. You have a little lever here that will lock it into place. You just pull that back. Now it turns, get it where you want, lock it in. The actual mechanism that ties onto the table moves extremely quick. They've threaded it pretty wide so that it does not take forever to thread. Now you're probably looking at that and you're like, man, that's all metal. That's going to tear up my surfaces. No, it won't. They actually give you the little rubber piece that goes on the bottom, and they give you the one that slides on the top so that your surfaces are going to be protected. And they give you vise covers that are going to go on the actual vise itself, just like this, so that whatever you clamp in here is going to be protected. Now they go one step further. They're going to give you a guard that actually is going to go around the shaft of your golf club, just like this, and it is nice and tight. There you go. Got to get it into place so you're not going to damage the shaft of your golf club. I like that a lot. But what that also means is that this vise can even be used for other things as well, not just golf clubs. They even have a little anvil on the end where you can actually use it to pound little things or work on things on the end. So this is a very versatile tool all the way around. They even give you 15 of the double-sided tapes, because if you're not familiar with this and have never done it, you're going to cut the rubber grip off and you're going to put tape on this, and then you put the new grip on. So to get this off, though, you're going to clamp it into place on the table, and you're going to use your hook knife, and we are going to start with a little bit of a tear, and then you start peeling this all the way off and get it cleaned off, and then you're going to have to cut the actual tape off. Now, a lot of times you can use a regular razor knife like this one to cut that tape off. You just scrape it back and forth, just being careful not to damage your club. Or you can even use a torch, like a little propane torch, and heat it up. Now, don't get it burnt, just heat it lightly, and it'll peel right off. And then you're just going to simply take the tape, and it goes a long ways, just like this. And you're going to stick out about a 1/4 inch or so past the top. Now, these are 10-inch strips. They're 10-inch by, I believe it's 2 inches wide. And you're going to start at one spot, and you'll just roll it over till they meet. The very ends will tuck inside the top. It's actually very simple, not hard at all to do. They also give you some gloves in this kit, by the way, that have grippers on it, which will help you, especially when you're trying to hold this if you need to move it around. But most of the time, it's going to be in the vise, outside of maybe putting the tape itself on. It does come in a nice box like this, and it even has the instructions are glued on the back of the box to walk you through step by step exactly what you need to do. So, guys, if I was going to rate the Beseetop Golf Club Grip Vise Clamp Kit on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars. I think it's very well made. It's made to last a lifetime. I love the fact that it's mobile. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.